Okay, we're gonna do our food plot today, and we've been following this guy, this Jeff Sturgis, the Wildlife Habitat Solutions guy. I love people who talk about strategy and actually think through things, and they're not just wandering mindlessly through tips and pointers, and Jeff does a really good job of that. So actually, Paige and I got into deer hunting only 3 years ago, and we've been very successful, and we've followed his tips and done really well.
Oh yeah.
Anyways, really happy about that. We've kind of done his no-till plan, and then last year we did some rye, and then we layered in more rye like he teaches. But we wanted to try this clover mix. It's a fall clover mix, and just see what happens, because what we're finding is our food plot here is, if you pan across here, it's a little bit smaller, and I thought this was an adequate food plot, but really it's almost like a transition plot into another food plot that we have. So we're going to go with this. It's a perennial plot power. It's a fall blend, and it's lots of clovers. It looks like it's got alfalfa in it. It's got some plants in here. I'm not even sure what they are, but I do know this. Jeff does, it seems that Jeff does his research and makes sure that whatever mixtures are in here, they don't choke each other out, and there's a good blend so that they complement each other. Ag right here says it'll do half an acre, so if we'd probably be a little bit overplanted, a little overseeded, but that's okay. I'm patiently waiting for rain, but it hasn't come. So I did notice that when we're getting up early in the mornings, there's a lot of heavy dew, and there's probably enough moisture we can get this started.